Oregano is a very good choice to have in a herb garden or even a herbaceous garden. It naturally comes from Europe, mainly the Mediterranean, Western Asia, but it also grows wild in the British Isles. It's a really common plant. It's gets about a foot high. It's herbaceous, clump forming. You can see it's sort of like a very mint-like. At this time of the year it has these really long flower heads which are sort of purple and go on for ages, and you can perhaps see just how many bees are attracted. It's one of those plants that attracts loads and loads of bees. I think I've chased them all off by waving my arms about a bit over them, but they are covered in bees usually. Now this plant is very good in food. You just take a sprig of it or a few leaves or something and just break it up and put it in meals. It's really nice herb to put in a lot of types of cooking. And its list of medicinal uses is huge. It's good for sort of inflammation, all sorts of respiratory problems. It's just has like a massive use. Mostly I use it as like an antiseptic and wound treatment. It's just has a massive use of herbal cures, and it's very good preventative medicine for loads of other things. It dies back in the winter. So what we usually do is when it flowers, we take so many branches, probably cut them back to about here so they've got enough to be able to grow back again, and then we just hang them up in a cool dry place out of sunlight, and when they're dry just scrunch it all up and put it in a jar marked oregano, and then for the period of time when they die back in the winter, then we've got oregano then. So it's nice to have oregano all year round. It's one of those nicest herbs, and it's so easy to grow. You could get kind of golden oregano and a few different garden varieties of it. There's some more kind of Mediterranean types of it. There's a lot of diversity around this plant, and has a very long flowering season. But a foot high at the front of a herbaceous garden is very good. Here it's sort of competing well with plants that are bigger than it. I've noticed when it grows in grassland, it does seem to stunt the grass that it's growing in, so it doesn't get overpowered by the grass. It's yeah, very tough plant, doesn't really need much doing to it, and it has a really long flowering season, and it's more the leaves that smell, but the whole plant has this gorgeous smell, and yeah, just really good plant. So any garden you should have one of these because they're so useful.